Hey boys and girls, I just thought I'd make a little video. I'm at school. I'm the only one here, and I'm going to get frogs. They're inside, so let's go. It's kind of noisy because I have all these bags that I'm bringing to school. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's the front door. Nobody's here. Alright, let me get in and I'll sign back on. There's our buddy Kermit. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's open. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm trying to get in the door. Wow, it looks weird. Pretty sure these are the frogs. Oh, y'all. Oh. Oh, man. My fish tank is empty because I brought all the fish to my husband's office. So they're safe and sound. Wow. Holy moly. It's kind of weird. I miss you guys. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to divide the frogs. Not literally like divide them. I'm going to give 5 to Miss Aguirre and then put 5 aside for myself so we can dissect them tomorrow. So this is how they come. Like vacuum sealed. And now I'm gonna cut them open, so I'll be back. Alright, so I put them in the sink. It's just nice to kind of rinse them a little bit. See, there's nothing wrong with touching it with your bare hands. The only reason I wouldn't is I have a cut on my thumb. And I used my right hand a minute ago and it stung a little bit. But beyond that, there's nothing to be afraid of. So here's a little babies. Yeah, so stay tuned. See what is inside this froggy. Alright, well I'm back in my car. I was going to film this outside, but it's really windy out, so it might be hard to hear me. I just think we all need to take a minute and realize how lucky we are. I love my job. I love that when I get up and go to work every day that I'm excited. And I feel like I kind of took that for granted because now I go to this MP school and it's not filled with what I love about my job, which is you guys. So I hope you're all well, and I hope that this time, apart gives us an opportunity to reflect on what's really important in life, which is each other. I miss you, and I hope I get to see you soon.